Hello friends, hope you're doing good. So I just bought this Apple's Magic Mouse and I figured out that when I was using it on my MacBook, then I had to move my hand around a lot and it was so weirdly uncomfortable that I had to move my hand. So the first thing that I did was to maximize the tracking speed from my laptop, but even after that the speed was very slow. So today I'll be giving you a solution that will help you increase the speed of your mouse beyond the default setting in your MacBook. So for that you just need to go to your terminal, and for that just go to apps here and type terminal. Once you type terminal, you will get this kind of an interface, and here you simply need to copy paste this command that I will also paste in the description. You just need to paste this command: defaults read then -g com.apple.mouse.scaling. So when you will enter, it will give you a number, and the number that I get is 3. That means the default speed of my mouse at the moment is 3, despite the fact that my tracking speed is at its maximum speed. It shows me 3. Now what I'll do, I'll simply copy paste the same thing, the same prompt again, but instead of read here, I'll come back, I'll write right. Okay, right, you type right, okay, like this, and keep the same distancing, everything same, just replace read with right, and then a space after scaling, and then you can write any number above 5 or 6 or 7, and then that will be the default speed of your mouse. So I'll write 7.0. when I write 7.0, and then I'll press enter. So now to check it again, I'll write the command, the read command, to see what is the default speed of my mouse. Then it will show 7. So this is my default speed of my mouse now. Now what I'll do, I'll simply go to my MacBook and restart it. Once I restart my MacBook, then this speed will be adjusted, and hopefully my mouse will then have more speed more tracking speed compared to previous, and it will help you resolve the problem. And if you want to have a bit of lesser speed, then you can either write 6 instead of 7 or 5 instead of 7, depending on your need. So that's how you can solve this speed issue with your mouse, and I really hope this video helped you. And so this way you can just increase the speed of your Magic Mouse. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and until next one, goodbye and take care.